Welcome back to another major construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. This week, the pace has clearly accelerated. Structural elements are rising faster, facade installation is expanding across multiple sections, and several areas of the stadium are beginning to look close to completion. Today, we'll break down the most important on-site developments shaping the transformation. The tribune area is alive with activity. Large chrome tubes are staged and ready for installation, following similar elements completed in other sectors. Workers are fully engaged around the future elevator structures, especially in the lower sections. Subtle adjustments around a diagonal beam indicate additional finishing or concrete work. In the first diamond section, interior work is gradually becoming visible, although some areas remain difficult to see. Despite these minor updates, preparations for the next stage of installation are clearly underway. At the store-side diamond, a significant number of structural components are stacked and ready for installation. Some pieces may look like slats but are actually specialized structural elements. Glass panels remain untouched, and several front section panels are still pending. Goal Sur showcases some of the most dynamic activity this week. Lifting platforms move between upper brackets while workers manage operations around the tower crane and scaffolding. Black painted beams are still awaiting support unions for slat installation. But the upper cantilever is now remarkable, with all glass panels fully installed. Sandwich panel installation is advancing steadily near the lateral stairs and elevator shafts by Goal Sur. A new upper panel has been placed above the concrete base near future elevator doors, while multiple additional panels are staged and ready. The lateral stair structure is now fully enclosed, forming a complete vertical shape. One of the most visually striking achievements is unfolding in the corner near Goal Sur. The left facade sector is now fully complete with slats, while the right sector still has a few slats in the upper corner. Behind the diamond structure, slat supports and anchors are prepared for continued facade expansion. A major surprise this week came with the successful installation of the fourth radial beam, along with its supporting pillar on the lateral side. Despite earlier weather challenges, crews lifted and secured these massive components flawlessly. The compression ring is taking visible shape, and the stadium's roof support system is evolving rapidly. Work continues steadily along the lateral sections. Slats remain staged for installation, and workers are actively managing lifting platforms near the beams. Hydraulic hammering at ground level is ongoing in one corner to address concrete adjustments near a rainwater area. In Goal Nord corner, decorative trims with insulation have been installed across the middle section, though the right side still requires finishing. No new anchor points for slat supports have been added, and rock wool insulation above the glass panels is pending. Central Goal Norte features positioned lifting platforms, and some painting remains incomplete on one wall. Concrete base panels are already installed in lower sections, and the structure is ready for sandwich panel installation. In the final corner area, substantial progress is visible on slat support unions. Where previously only a single union existed, multiple unions now span central and right beams, while the left beam still awaits installation. Once complete, this area will allow facade expansion toward the tribune section. That concludes this week's thrilling update from Spotify Camp Nou. The stadium continues to rise rapidly, and every corner shows progress that will soon be impossible to ignore. Stay tuned for the next update as we follow every milestone of this incredible construction journey. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting update.